Yeah, I see say the special advisor for presidency on media and publicity and media there about come outside they debunk this 10 billion naira that has been allocated for solar installation for the government house, which is the presidential villa. And if you get mind, they come outside, they call, they talk, say the US White House this year are using it. Organa now na they know. You know who shame to us as a Nigerians now want install solar power for inside government as presidential villa. To understand one of the whole meeting where we say that they get power grade issue, where we say that we all one of the whole meeting with external body like France, US. So when power grade can happen, because definitely even though the government has they get 48 hours steady power supply. So if as you mean say power grade can happen or there's a kind of one kind bad storm, rainfall, think can affect the the power grid whatever, then e affect the one wey dey supply the government has. So when the light go off like that, na call the run dey go on generator up to this time wey be say America don dey use 16 there about don dey even dey use solar energy for even for to even make water hot for government house. And now una dey do una own. Federal government this one funny o. And now una dey do solar for inside government. And those people wey dey say government this that, make I tell una something o. Other Nigeria get light 48 hours. The presidential villa, the government has a light na 48 hours 80 yearly dey go like that. Who are you now? You wan go off government house light? You no fit na. So that they get like 24 hours normally. But for people like we say we dey think for the betterment of Nigeria, wetin we dey try talk na say, so when this light dey now, say the unforeseen go happen, we say the minister of power no go fit control, or the NEPA no fit control something like vandalization, or there is a storm, one kind rainfall go affect the grade, then the grade go fall, go affect the one we say dey the cover government house. So and una dey inside meeting, so una no get solar power before be say automatically e go just switch over, wey say e go just come. So that's why the France government or the American president go fit say war don start, say dem wan come kill dem inside government as well. Nigeria. And I will come I come bring her come out more no. Na for how e do am quietly. All those other presidents wey dey dey system before they actually say wey be say na they wey be say they be president, so dem no install solar for that full government and everything. Wow. I mean, I don't get time for una course una use o, because normally if you want to install whole solar for 2 bedroom flat, just 3 AC, 2 telly, 1 deep freezer, some bulb, you go spend at least 7 million to 10 million. So that cost. Me, I know say not be that one. I know they would think that one for the president. I know that the president on his own. There's one of the presidents say come to power, be say get money. And me, I don't even know what he go do for that presidency. I won't know. I be because you know, go tell me say that money fine come because it's the money we get. I won't know. That is why we are patiently waiting to see how this. If now, if the intention of the come make the country better, because it's old. Not me now. I won't call the chief money again. So let's. Me, I won't just wait. But that takes me to the way I want to talk. A video where the trend say the president say if you not fish light, make them not vote for her. My own say this presidency. I not put there after that one the president talk. I won't put it upon you guys to say that even before una come out for power, if una not fit fix light, just the way Ghana be small Ghana here, so we not fit dey get steady 48 hours light. If they have to change the whole power grid wey don hold, they can change am. If they have to go to Ishi street and estate community, local government, go dey comot all those transformers, so that no go dey get transformer wey dey spoil anyhow, make dem do am. All you take na the money, na the budget. Nigeria will print our money for this country here. We no dey print money for outside country. Na wan print money for one full year, to make sure say the power of Nigeria better pass Burkina Faso own, better pass Ghana own, more na do am. Now this government go fit do am, make una do am. I no see why Nigeria will not go fit dey enjoy steady power supply na why na. We don reach by anything. the only thing na wetin dis present government fit do. The other one also don pass and no get I wan tell you, but dis government wetin na common Ghana fit dey enjoy common steady power 48 hours supply na come. See, if the minister like make e go Egypt 200 times, if you wan go make e go. All those one wey dem dey talk for social media say Peter Obi na first go there, na make the minister wan go. Whether Peter Obi go there o, na where idea dey, knowledge dey, people dey travel dey go. People wey first go business master class, dem don graduate. Other people still dey plan to go again. So no be who first reach the matter. Na who go there bring solution to us now we dey find. If you need to go Egypt, go bring that light, go. If you need to go anywhere you wan go, but make sure say before this regime go come outside, comot, make una solve the light issue so that you go dey for Guinness Book of Records na this administration run am. Ghana go fit do am, why we no fit do am? Wetin dey? If dem need to change the whole grade wey don hold, let's change everything. Na our budget, na printing our money in the country. If we wan collect loan for example, let's collect loan for example. Let's do something once and for all. Now we go know say okay, we do something. And for that money for that solar, na normal. Government definitely, the government has need solar now. Because even though if they would decide to go solve our light issue now, say we call dey get light 48 hours steady, no taking. A situation whereby we cannot control now. There are some disasters that can happen. Outrage, power outrage, weather, vandalization. Wind can blow now, thunder can strike now, lightning can just strike only the one wake up. So it's not sure. But if na now they do am, make dem quickly pass back go do am. Because everything that they bring on social media. Anyway, that is just my own piece of mind. And our presidency, we gonna try do light for us. This administration I feel run am now. In Ghana, yes, in Burkina Faso. Wow. Anyway, guys.